One thing to know about me is I can take one look at your marketing and see exactly how you can be making more sales with less effort. And here's what I'm going to guess your marketing looks like. You've built your content, your funnels and your freebies, all trying to piece together different parts from different pieces. Let's imagine you're building a Lego set. You have instructions designed by someone else and you follow them and you can actually build something wonderful. But what if you were given bricks from a different set, each intended to build something else? You start assembling a unicorn, then midway through you switch to a Mickey boat because it seems easier or more exciting. The result is you end up with pieces everywhere, nothing fully assembled or working. This is exactly what's happening with your marketing. You might start crafting a funnel inspired by one manual, then halfway through it feels overwhelming or not quite right. So you shift to another strategy, leaving the first one unfinished. This cycle of jumping from one incomplete project to another without fully understanding or finishing them is like having a box full of Lego bricks from different sets. You try and build something grand but end up with a cluttered of mismatched pieces. Now imagine just having one manual, the complete full manual of the Lego. It feels right because it fits with your vision, it works, and it provides a consistent stream of revenue for you.